What's going on, guys? It's the middle of January. Happy New Year. It's 2019. Hope you guys have a great time with the family. I did. I spent time with my family and my girlfriend. Had a good time. Some fun things. And here we are, 2019. So let's start a new year. So yeah, really nothing bad to say. Car's doing awesome. No complaints. Life is good. Of course, it's still winter time, but really no complaints. So just going for a little drive, just a little update. I know it's been a few weeks, a little bit more than a few weeks, maybe my last video. Figured I'd just make a quick little video update. Everything's going good. And of course, like I said, it's a new year, so we'll see what this year has to bring. And, of course, there's new laws. And I'm sure other things, probably more taxes on things, but we'll see. We'll see how everything goes. But hope for the best, and hopefully everything goes well. So that's all I ask for. Once I get the car warmed up, I might do a few little minor pulls. Nothing too major. I mean, nothing like what I did on Christmas Day. That was more than I usually do, so I just kind of feel like I would let loose a little bit, have a little fun. But today, just gonna go for a drive and talk. Keep it kind of casual, calm, and whatever happens, happens. Of course, on the back roads, my go-to place for doing my videos. It is kind of sunny out, so hopefully it doesn't affect my video quality. I noticed that when it's really sunny out, it kind of makes the quality look a little bit messed up on my camera, which is one reason why I should get like a lens filter. I'm sure it would help cancel out those effects. So yeah, what does 2019 bring for my car? Well, really what I want to do is when I get through winter. So winter's, a hard time on the car. I don't like to really drive my car too hard. Best thing I think to do is get through winter. We'll see what happens. If I plan to do anything, maybe change the wheels, maybe get some nicer rims, and then just keep my winter tires on my stock wheels, which do have a terrible look. I mean, the stock wheels on the 2015 WRX, they don't look so good, obviously. But yeah, if I do decide to change the wheels or do maybe some appearance mods, we'll see if I could do something like that. But for now, I just really want to get through winter, drive my car nicely, don't abuse it, obviously, because, I'm done with the warranty, so everything that I possibly could have done to my car has been done. So if anything, it's almost like a brand new car in some ways. Not totally, but there's been so much things that's been changed. So if anything, just best thing to do is preserve it, enjoy the car, and drive it, respect it, and then the car will, in return the favor. It'll stay reliable, everything will work, and that's what I wish to do. I think that's really what everyone should do if they want to keep their car, running into top shape. And for me, I think it's all about taking care of your car. Keep up with the oil changes, all the maintenance, the factory, schedule and stuff, which I've done. I've followed everything to the T, and when you do those things, it does help prolong the life of the engine and the transmission, all the other parts. So very beneficial to yourself and also the car. So that's just what I do. So these guys are kind of going a little bit too slow for me, so get around that traffic. I know this one, the engine's cooler, has more of a growl to it compared to when it's warm out. Nice little growl, Of course, not the signature soupy growl like what the earlier models did, both the 2.5 liter, but it's got a nice tone to it, I think. For being what it is. So just out of curiosity, how was everybody else's 2019? I mean, did you spend time with family, do anything fun? Did you party or do anything like that? I'm just like, really, for me, I'm not into the whole party scene. I kind of like that, you know. I guess there's a certain point in time in life where you just kind of, I don't know, be a little bit more mature about things, and I just kind of passed the party stage. I've never been a drinker myself, you know. I've never done drugs. I don't smoke, and live pretty, I guess you could say, clean-cut lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. So, yeah, what did you guys do? Did you go anywhere? Me and my girlfriend, we did some ice skating, did some, you know, romantic things, saw some decorations, you know, nice Christmas light decorations and stuff. And, you know, just kind of simple but fun and enjoyable. And really, all I asked for is everything to be the same, you know, everything. Well, if anything, I want things to be better, you know. I would like to have a better job and stuff, but really, I don't really ask for much besides, you know, having a good, healthy life, and more things to come, you know, more positive things to come in life, and if anything, things hopefully will get better, you know, for everybody. Pretty chilly. It is cold this winter season, and I don't like to keep this too high, like I'll make a video, because I know that blower fan down there by the passenger footwell is pretty noisy without that cross track cover, which I still haven't gotten. I don't know why, but I guess it doesn't bother me too much. But yeah, maybe that's something else I could try doing, just to kind of decrease the noise a little bit in the interior. Do a little minor quick pull, make sure there's no cops around. See, over here I can tell the way the sun's hitting the camera, it kind of messes with things. Not exactly what I like when I'm making videos, is when the quality gets messed up. Video doesn't get too boring. I mean, I just wanted to kind of go for a drive and talk, you know, keep it casual, and, you know, not do anything too crazy, but just at the same time, you know, kind of do a little driving vlog, you know, nothing too out of the ordinary of what I usually do. And now one person, or not just one person, but a few people mentioned I should just start doing videos where I do maintenance, you know, maybe do an oil change and document it, you know, maybe do some other things, you know, simple things, you know, just kind of document it, because I know a lot of people do that. I really haven't been doing that because the thing about my area is it's like you actually are not allowed to work on your car due to the association and stuff. Like, you could just pop your hood and just do a simple thing or change your wheels and they could actually find you and stuff. So that's one thing I haven't really been doing that stuff on video. I mean, I could try to do it somewhere else, maybe someone else's house, but for me to do it, it makes it very difficult. So a lot of stuff I do is I just, you know, take it to the dealer because it's really the only way I could do it without getting in trouble with my neighborhood and stuff. So that's one thing I did want to mention, that makes it difficult for me to make those kind of videos. And I wish I could, you know, I mean, I do know how to do a lot of things. I mean, the previous car I had, I did all my oil changes myself. I did a lot of, you know, basic maintenance and stuff. And at that time I did make videos of it. I did make videos of the car driving and stuff. It was my Saab 9.3 Turbo, which is a pretty cool car. It was a fun car, I guess you could say. I guess now, today's society, they just want to like ban you from doing everything, you know. It's like anything you do not get in trouble for, so it just makes it more difficult, you know. It also makes it difficult to, you know, make those videos. So this is one thing I wanted to mention, so in case anyone was curious. So yeah, like right now I'm looking at the screen of my camera, and I can see how the light is basically making everything look dark. So I'll probably head back to the back roads just so I can get out of the dark sunlight. And again, I didn't want to make a video too long. I just wanted to go for a drive and talk, keep it simple and casual, and just update with you guys, because I know it's been a little while, so I figured, you know, make a simple little video. can just tell how smooth it is when I get through the gears. It's just so much more smoother. That's one thing I talked about a few weeks ago. Before, how smooth it is. Like every shift, I mean, everything is just working just the way I like it, and I love it, man. It makes it so easy to drive this car. Why it's doing this now, I don't know, but I totally respect it. Because it makes the shift so much easier and so much smoother. It feels like it's like a race car. Well, it's not a race car, but it feels like I can drive it like a race car anytime I want, you know? And even on those cold starts, you know, when the engine's cold and transmission fluid's cold, like when I do the shifts, it is so freaking like perfect, man. Just don't know why, but I don't know if you can actually see it on video, but it's amazing. Maybe I'll try to demonstrate it next light if I get there. Oh, it's still right. And of course, the afterfire is always nice to hear. Love hearing the afterfire in this car. So I'll do the same thing. I'm not gonna wind it all the way, but I'll just get to the gears really fast, and you'll just see how smooth it is, basically. But yeah, it's so smooth. Perfect. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you how everything's running. The car is doing awesome. Like I said, 2019, here we are. Hopefully even better things to come. And then from then on, I guess I will just say I appreciate everybody's support. Thank you for staying there and continuing to support the channel and watch it, even though it's still not monetized. Maybe someday I will decide to. We'll see. And then, yeah. I just want you all guys to have a nice, wonderful 2019. Stay positive in life. Keep doing what you enjoy doing, and I will do the same. Maybe I'll get to this stop sign up here. This is the notorious stop sign way up here is where I did my 0 to 60 in like 4.2 seconds with the E30. So maybe I'll just do one final pull, and then I'll close the video. Because, you know, I just love to, I guess you can say show off. I wouldn't say show off. I like to have fun, you know. I like to enjoy. So I'll close out this 2019 with one final minor pull, and then say my goodbye. Yeah, this is the stop sign where I did my 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. The winner tire. Alright, make sure the cups around. First gear. Nail the throttle. Yeah, it's so smooth. And on the brakes. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate everything you guys do for me, and I love responding to every comment. That's why I always do. I take the time to respond to comments and tell you guys everything that you want to know, and hopefully everything you want to know. So as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate all the support. Have a wonderful 2019 and beyond. Stay positive in life. Thank you again for everything. Luis WRX signing out, and I'll see you guys next time. I'll maybe put some time before I make my next video, take a little break again, and then I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys for everything, and see you guys around. Peace out.